Tonlew Sabadiจ้า Today we're going to make Larb, the national food of Laos. So let's start to the ingredients.
I don't do this often, you caught me off guard. All of my friends said you moved out west. You tell me stories underneath sunset.
Step 1. Boil ground pork, pork skin, and pork liver, and then make it dry from the water.
Get a ticket for two to wherever you choose. Drinking some red out of the blue.
Step 2. Put mint leaf, lemon juice, fish sauce, roasted sticky rice powder, green onion leaves, parsley leaves, ground dry red chili, sugar and shallot slices. Mix it together.
I'm not superstitious, I got lucky. Stole your heart and it was mine for the taking.
Serve to a dish and eat with sticky rice and vegetables such as long beans, cucumber, and lettuce.
แต่ทำไมตับเยอะจังเขาไม่น่าใส่เยอะเลย ใส่เยอะให้คนอื่นกินมากนะคะกล้องอยู่ไหนนะต้องเรียกโฟกัสให้อ่ะกินอะไรนะ